Hi instructors, I want to show you how to use the unknowns in the titrations lab. Once you've taught your students how to perform a basic titration, you probably want them to test and see if they can do it with a solution where they don't know the concentration. In those situations, if you have them click on the clipboard, there are a bunch of unknowns listed. These pull up what are called the numbered unknowns. So when you click on one of these, in the lab will be set up with two bottles. One of them will have a number on them. The students can perform their titration and report to you, whether in your LMS or in the lab book or through email, whatever way you have set up to report values to you, what they calculate for the concentration of their numbered unknown. Every student will be assigned a random numbered unknown from our database, and you can look up those answers in the answer key. So that's the way the numbered unknowns work. If you want to access a different type of unknowns, you can have them click on the unknown shelf, and they can then generate an unknown between a range of concentrations that you tell them to set. So for example, say I set it like that. You could do 2 bottles of unknowns or just one, whatever you want. And then when you return to the stockroom, an unknown will be created with a concentration between the range you just set. So now you can have your students perform a titration with this one. They have no way of knowing what the concentration of this is as they're going. They just know it's in that range. When they finish their titration, they can open their lab book and click report. They can type in here the value that they've calculated. So say your student calculates that they think it's that, and they click submit. The real answer will be revealed to them, and then they could save their results here for you so that you'll have them type in any information you want them to do on their procedure and their results. And then what they calculated and what the actual answer is saved for you. They could go in and repeat this, and many, many, many more links will be created for as many times as they repeat titrations with these unnumbered unknowns. And then when they're done, you can just have them save their file. They'll save it anywhere on their computer. Save. Then when you are ready to grade these as assessments, then you will collect all of their lab books through your LMS or through email, and you can open them by clicking on the lab book button and opening through file open every single one of their lab books. So for example, this was the one I just saved. If I say open on that one, that's what I've got here. So that will allow you to use the unknowns and titrations for various types of assessments with the numbers and the not numbers. We hope this helps.